Welcome. Today I am with OnePlus Nord CE 5G and we are going to check how fast is this fingerprint sensor that you can find in the display. So yeah, let's make a few tries. Let's see how the sensor performs. So the animation and the unlocking is very smooth, as you can see. I mean, this fingerprint sensor recognizing animation, it's very smooth. There's smooth particles that comes from our fingerprint, and the exact unlocking animation is also very nice. But the speed is not the best, honestly. The face unlock is definitely faster in this phone. Yeah, but honestly, the animation is one of the best that I have ever seen in any smartphone. Okay, so take a look. That's the face unlocking. It's definitely faster. So yeah, that's how this sensor works. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.